So there it is, a jumbled mess. And there's Pikachu. So right here we have Pikachu made up of 46 equations with restrictions. So if I get rid of this restriction, it's just going to extend that all the way down. To this restriction, to the lower bound, I'm going to subtract a, and to the upper bound, we're going to add a. And then it's going to ask us to add slider. We're going to say yes. And we do that by clicking on it. Now, as we make this really big, made the graph of this first equation get very large. And now if we do that to all of these, if I do minus a on the lower bound and plus a on the upper bound, then we have another one that's opened up. And then once again, as a approaches 0, there's 0 right there, that's Pikachu. And then we can slowly remove the domain restrictions. And if we do that to all of these, you get a jumbled mess, which will then enable you to reveal Pikachu at the end. And I'm going to fast forward right now so you don't have to wait for me to do all this. So these circles don't have a restriction, so I'm just going to make the r squared bigger. We'll say plus a, and so it just makes the circles larger. Right now, this looks like a jumbled mess. But if we go up here and let's set our minimum to 0, now when we drag this down to 0, it's going to slowly form Pikachu. So there it is, a jumbled mess. And there's Pikachu. How exciting.